This video demonstrates how to set up a new Azure IoTHub to connect to an IoT device in Azure Portal. An active Azure subscription is required. Before you begin, you can create a free Azure account at azure.microsoft.com/free. To begin creating a new IoTHub, open a web browser and navigate to the URL shown on screen. When prompted, sign in to Azure Portal. On the Basics tab, fill in the fields with the following details. Select the subscription to use for your new Azure IoTHub. In the resource group, choose Create New. Provide a name for the resource group, for example, My Resource Group. Choose OK. Use the drop-down to select an Azure region that's closest to you. In the IoTHub name field, enter a name for your Azure IoTHub, for example, My New IoTHub 101. Select Next, Size and Scale to continue. On the Size and Scale tab, use the drop-down to set the pricing and scale tier to F1 free tier. Leave all other options set to their default values. Select Review and Create at the bottom of the page. Select Create to begin creating your new Azure IoTHub. Wait for the deployment complete message. Then choose Go to Resource from the notification area. To add a new IoT device, scroll down to the Explorers area and select IoT devices. Then choose +Add. Provide an ID for your new IoT device, for example, My Device ID. Select Save. This will create a new IoT device identity in your Azure IoTHub. After the device has been created, select the new device from the list of IoT devices. Copy the connection string primary key value. You will use this key to authenticate a connection to a simulated Raspberry Pi IoT device. Open a new web browser tab and go to the online Raspberry Pi simulator web page. Select X to close the overview window. In the code window, go to line number 15. Update the value by pasting the Azure IoTHub connection string value that you copied previously between the single quotation marks. Select Run to start the application. The console output shows sensor data and messages sent from the Raspberry Pi simulator to your Azure IoTHub. These messages and data are sent each time the Raspberry Pi simulator LED flashes. Wait 10 to 20 seconds, then select Stop to stop sending data. To view matrix for the messaging activity in Azure, return to Azure Portal. Select All Resources from the main menu. Choose your Azure IoTHub from the list of resources. In the IoTHub overview, scroll down past IoTHub usage. The Device to Cloud Messages graph shows the total number of messages sent from the IoT device to your Azure IoTHub. These metrics indicate that you have set up a new Azure IoTHub and an IoT device successfully.